This is a Buck in the Odds video.
I'm gonna burn down the house and leave by the light of the fire. I'm gonna go back to
After making a series on my open read coyote call, I was pleasantly surprised to see what was headed my way.
girl, you ain't been good to me. I'll tell you that I ain't no liar. I'm gonna burn down the house and leave.
Maybe all you need for Eastern Plains mule deer is a coyote call, a MOJO critter, and King's Desert Shadow camouflage.
And my little girl answered my riddle from the day before.
The MOJO critter has this buck's attention, that's for sure.
But you won't
Watch as this buck looks to the left of me and to the right of me. I am sitting down next to a much shorter yucca plant, and he doesn't even see me. I am only 20 yards from him. Who says camo don't work? Me and this little buck played this game for about 12 minutes.
had me thinking I was gonna be a deacon if I'd only toed the line. So sun up to sundown, I'm using my backbone.
See how calm he is?
Necessarily my spine. Well, I got a jealous tickle, so I threw down
He never had a clue I was right next to him.
I saw the preacher in the rocking chair burning up the horsehair. The wife was keeping right in time. I'm gonna burn down the house and leave by the light of the fire. I'm gonna go back to the still and fulfill my desire. Girl, you ain't been good to me. I'll tell you that I ain't no liar. I'm gonna burn down the house and leave by the light of the fire.
What a strange little rack. It will be interesting to see what he looks like when he matures. He soon became bored and left. I then lip squeaked to get his attention. Is he actually coming back?
By the light of the fire. I'm gonna go back to the still and fulfill my desire. Girl, you ain't been good to me. I tell you that I ain't no liar.
I guess he decided he would come back and take another look, so I lip squeaked to get his curiosity back up.
By the light of the fire. I'm gonna burn down the house.
Now he has an idea of where the sound came from, but still doesn't see anything to be too afraid of. Nothing to see here, dear. Well, I've had them snort and stomp their foot at me, but never the back legs walking in place while not going anywhere move.
Walked along the creek bank, had to kick the brambles down. Stopped to watch a plane fly by that was towing the sky around. It was towing the sky around.
I'll stop him a couple more times with lip squeaks.
But his mouth open cotton white. I took his head and his skin from his long white flesh, but his coils wrapped my wrist so tight. His coils wrapped my wrist so tight. I reached up in a golden branch to shake the fox grapes down.
He soon became bored with my games and left.
Secret song
Can't blame
was
you.
in my mouth, but the mockingbird shouted me down.
You can't beat being in the field. This beats TV any day.
Join our new hunting forum. Share and learn Bible hunting techniques at www.buckingtheodds.com. MOJO Outdoors. It ain't magic if it ain't MOJO. All the camouflage worn in this video was provided by King's Camo. Crooked Horn Outfitters. Quaker Boy Game Calls. Hunter's first choice. Type in Bucking the Odds in the YouTube search engine and watch all of our videos. Special thanks to Big Smith, www.bigsmithband.com.